Welcome to Inside Daily English. Everyday life, everyday English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Inside Daily English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. Hello, friends.
How are you today? Really, how are you feeling right now?
It's okay if you're not feeling great. It's okay.
Yes, sometimes we feel happy. Sometimes we feel sad.
And that's normal. That's very normal.
Today, we want to talk about something important. Something we all feel. Sometimes.
Sadness.
Yes, when you feel sad, when your heart feels heavy.
We all have those days, right?
We do. Everyone does. Even me. Even Alex.
Even people who smile a lot. They feel sad too.
And you know what? That's okay.
It's okay to feel sad.
Today, we're going to talk about sadness, but not in a sad way.
No, we're going to talk about it in a warm way, a gentle way.
Because sadness is part of life, and we can learn from it.
We can grow from it.
So if you're feeling sad today, you're in the right place.
We're here with you.
If you're feeling okay today, that's wonderful too, but maybe you can learn something for the days when sadness comes.
Because it will come. And it will go.
It will go. That's important to remember.
Sadness doesn't stay forever.
No, it's like a cloud. It comes, it covers the sun, but then it moves.
And the sun shines again.
Yes, the sun always shines again.
So, friends, take a deep breath with us.
Breathe in, breathe out.
Good. You're here, you're listening, you're trying.
And that's beautiful. Let's talk together today about sadness, about feelings, about being human. Are you ready? Let's begin. Alex, can I tell you something?
Of course, Emma. Always.
Yesterday, I felt sad.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What happened?
Nothing big happened. That's the thing. Sometimes sadness just comes.
I understand. Sometimes we don't know why we feel sad.
Exactly. I woke up, the morning was beautiful, but inside I felt heavy.
Heavy. That's a good word for it.
My heart felt heavy, like something was pushing down.
Did you do anything to feel better?
I tried. First, I just sat. I sat by the window.
Just sat?
Yes, I looked outside. I saw trees. I saw birds.
And did that help?
A little, not much, but a little.
Sometimes a little is enough.
Yes. Then I called my mom.
Your mom. That's nice.
I told her, Mom, I feel sad today. And you know what she said?
What did she say?
She said, That's okay, Emma. Let it be. Just let it be.
Let it be. That's interesting.
I thought about it. Let it be. Don't fight it. Don't push it away.
Just feel it.
Yes, just feel it. And slowly, the sadness became lighter.
Lighter. Not gone, but lighter.
Exactly. It didn't go away completely, but I could breathe easier.
Your mom sounds wise.
She is very wise. What about you, Alex? When was the last time you felt sad?
Last week, actually.
Really? Tell me.
I saw an old photo. A photo of my grandfather.
Oh,
She passed away 2 years ago. I miss him.
I'm sure you do.
In the photo, he was smiling. Such a big smile. And I remembered his laugh.
His laugh?
He had the best laugh. Loud and warm. It made everyone happy.
He sounds wonderful.
He was. And when I saw that photo, I felt so sad. Because I can't hear that laugh anymore.
That must be hard.
It is. But you know what else I felt?
What?
Gratitude. I felt grateful that I knew him, that I have those memories.
Sadness and gratitude together.
Yes, they can be together. It's strange, but true.
It's not strange. It's beautiful. It means you loved him.
I did. I still do.
Love doesn't end, even when people leave.
No. Love stays.
You know, Alex, I think sadness teaches us something.
What does it teach us?
It teaches us what matters, what's important.
Like family?
Yes, like love, like connection.
We don't feel sad about things that don't matter.
Exactly. We feel sad because we care, because something or someone was important to us.
So, in a way, sadness is a sign of love.
Yes, a sign of love. I never thought about it that way.
Me neither, but it makes sense.
It does. It really does.
Hey, Emma, what do you do when sadness feels too big, too heavy?
That's a good question. Sometimes sadness is very big.
Very heavy?
When that happens, I try small things.
Small things?
Yes, I make tea. Hot tea.
Just making tea?
Yes, the warm cup in my hands, the smell, the taste. It helps.
Simple things.
Simple things can be powerful. What about you?
I go for a walk.
A walk? Where do you go?
Anywhere, around my neighborhood. Sometimes just around the block.
And does it help?
Yes, my body moves, my mind moves too. The sadness, it doesn't disappear, but it feels different.
Movement helps.
It does. Also, I listen to music.
What kind of music?
Slow music, quiet music, sometimes sad music.
Sad music when you're sad?
I know it sounds strange, but sad songs understand me. They say, I know how you feel.
That's not strange at all. I do the same thing.
Really?
Yes, sometimes we need to feel understood, even by a song.
Even by a song. That's right.
You know what else helps me?
What?
Talking, just like we're doing now.
Talking to someone?
Yes, saying the words, I feel sad. It makes the sadness smaller somehow.
Because you're not alone with it.
Exactly. You share it. And when you share it, it's not as heavy.
That's why we're talking about this today.
Yes, because maybe someone listening feels sad right now.
And we want them to know it's okay. You're not alone.
We're here with you.
Okay, friends, now let's learn some useful expressions together. These are words and phrases for when you feel sad, or when someone you know feels sad.
They're simple, but they're important.
Let's start with the first expression. I'm having a hard time.
I'm having a hard time.
This means things are difficult right now.
You can say, I'm having a hard time today.
Or, I'm having a hard time with work.
It's honest. It's real. You're telling someone things are not easy.
And that's okay. It's okay to say that.
Expression number 2, I need some time.
I need some time. This means you need space. You need to rest. You need to be alone or quiet.
For example, I need some time to think.
Or, I need some time for myself.
It's not rude. It's healthy. Everyone needs time sometimes.
Yes, taking time is taking care of yourself.
Number 3, it will get better.
It will get better. This is hope. This is a promise to yourself.
When things are bad, you say, it will get better.
You can also say this to a friend. Don't worry, it will get better.
It's comfort. It's encouragement.
And it's true. Things do get better.
Expression number 4, I'm here for you.
I'm here for you. This is beautiful. You're telling someone you are not alone.
When a friend is sad, you say, I'm here for you.
Or, if you need anything, I'm here for you.
It's love. It's support.
Just 4 simple words, but they mean so much.
And our last expression, take care of yourself.
Take care of yourself. This is important, very important. When you say goodbye to someone, you can say, take care of yourself.
It means be kind to yourself, rest, eat well, sleep well.
You can also say it to yourself. I need to take care of myself.
Because you matter. Your health matters. Your feelings matter.
Let's practice. I'll use all these expressions in a short conversation.
Great idea. Imagine I call my friend. She's sad. Listen, Hi, Sarah. How are you? Oh no, you sound sad. I'm here for you. What's wrong? I see. You're having a hard time. That's okay. Everyone has hard times. Listen, it will get better, I promise. Do you need some time? Or do you want to talk? Okay, call me anytime. And please, take care of yourself.
Perfect, Emma. That's so natural.
See, these expressions are not difficult.
But they're powerful. They show you care.
So practice them, use them in your life, with your friends, with yourself.
Especially with yourself.
Yes, be kind to yourself always. You know what I realized today?
What did you realize?
Sadness is not the enemy.
It's not?
No, I used to think sadness was bad, something to avoid, something to hide.
Many people think that.
But now I understand. Sadness is just a feeling, like happiness, like surprise, like love.
It's part of being human.
Exactly. We're not robots. We feel many things.
And all feelings are okay.
Yes, all feelings are okay, even the hard ones.
Sadness tells us something.
What does it tell us?
It tells us we're alive, we're feeling, we're experiencing life.
That's beautiful, Alex.
And it tells us what we care about.
Yes, we talked about that earlier. We only feel sad about things that matter.
So sadness is actually meaningful.
It is. It really is.
But Emma, what about people who feel sad for a long time?
That's a good question. Sometimes sadness stays for a long time.
What can they do?
First, they should know it's okay. It's okay to feel sad for a long time.
But they should also talk to someone.
Yes, a friend, a family member, maybe a professional, a counselor, a doctor.
There's no shame in asking for help.
None at all. Asking for help is brave.
It's strong.
Very strong. We can't do everything alone.
We're not meant to.
We're meant to help each other, to support each other.
That's what being human is about.
Yes, connection, community, love.
So if you're listening and you feel sad, remember these things.
1. It's okay to feel sad.
2. Sadness won't last forever.
3. You're not alone.
4. Small things can help. Tea, a walk, music, talking.
5. Be kind to yourself.
And 6. If sadness stays too long, ask for help.
These are not just tips. These are truths.
Truths we all need to remember.
I feel better just talking about this.
Me too. It's like we're lighter.
Yes, talking makes things lighter.
Sharing makes things lighter.
So thank you, Alex, for sharing today.
Thank you, Emma. And thank you to everyone listening.
Yes, thank you for being here, for listening, for feeling.
For being human with us.
Well, friends, we've talked about something deep today.
Something real.
Sadness, feelings, being human.
And I hope you feel a little less alone now.
I hope you know what you feel is okay.
You are okay.
Even on sad days, even on hard days.
You are enough.
You are worthy of love, worthy of care.
Especially from yourself.
So, be gentle with yourself today, and tomorrow, and always.
Take your time. There's no rush.
Healing is not a race.
Feeling is not a race.
Life is not a race.
It's a journey with ups and downs.
Sunny days and rainy days.
And all of it is beautiful in its own way.
All of it is part of your story.
Your unique, beautiful story.
Before we say goodbye, I want to leave you with one thought.
What is it?
After the rain, flowers grow.
After the rain, flowers grow.
Sadness is like rain. It falls. It feels heavy. It feels endless.
But then it stops.
And something new grows. Something beautiful.
Maybe wisdom,
Maybe strength.
maybe compassion.
For yourself and others.
So let the rain fall. Don't fight it.
Just wait. And trust.
The flowers will come.
They always do.
Always.
So, dear friends, take care of yourselves.
Be patient with yourselves.
Be kind to yourselves.
And remember, we're here with you. Every day. Every episode.
You're part of our community, our Inside Daily English family.
And in this family, all feelings are welcome.
Happiness, sadness, everything in between.
Because that's what real life is.
Real, honest, beautiful.
We'll see you again soon.
Until then, please, take care.
Rest if you need to.
Talk if you need to.
Cry if you need to.
And smile when you're ready.
When you're ready, no pressure.
Just be. Just be yourself.
That's enough.
That's more than enough.
Thank you for joining us today.
Everyday life, everyday English.
See you next time on Inside Daily English.
Goodbye, friends. You are loved.
You are not alone.
Never alone.